Good positioning for Biogents AERO Trap Plus. Good positioning is essential for optimum efficacy. Place the trap on the ground, in a humid, shaded place protected from wind and sun. Near plants, more than 5 meters away from the terrace. No wind, no sun. Not directly at the terrace. Route the power cable safely along secure paths and ensure a waterproof power connection. In case the power cable is too short, we offer as accessory a 10-meter extension cable for safe use. Where to place the CO2 bottle? Outdoors, not in direct sunlight. Vertically. Tip: if you use a 5 to 10 kilogram CO2 bottle, fix it with ropes or cords at a fence or tree to prevent it from falling over. Test different locations to find the best place for your trap. Biogents, pioneers in sustainable mosquito control.